In this video I'm going to show you how to remove emails on your Gmail account at your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Gmail app, and now there you can delete any of these emails. To be able to do that, just hold down on the email until it check marks, and now you can hit there on trash icon to remove that email. Also, you can hold down and there select more than one email. In that way, just hit once on the email to check mark it, and then here you see that 8 emails now is selected, and now you can hit on trash icon to remove 8 emails at once. But in the Gmail application there is no option to remove all letters at once. If you got there 1,000 or more letters, it can be a problem. So to delete all emails at once you have to use web version of the Gmail account, and to be able to do that, open up your Safari browser, and there you can create new tab, go to google.com, then tap here on this letters icon and hit request desktop website. Now you can zoom in and there hit on Gmail to open up desktop version of Gmail site. And now you can there hit on that square to select all that conversations. Now there you see that just 50 conversations is now selected, and there you can hit on select all conversations in primary. Now all conversations are selected, and to delete that conversations, just hit there on that trash icon. That's how it works, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.